watching Pranav cooking. Hello everyone, today we're gonna make mashed potatoes. You need at least 5 or 4 potatoes. Then you cut off the skin. Use like a knife or something to cut off the excess skin that you couldn't get out. Now we have to cut all the potatoes, and now we need to cut this potato in half. Come on, and then cut it into 1 inch. Cut the potatoes. Pour a teaspoon of salt. Put the pot of potatoes on the stove and put it on high. Wait till 12 minutes. So we have half a cup of butter and we melted it to this. So now it's cooked. We need to strain it. Okay, so now I've strained it. We gotta dry it. So we gotta put it back in the pot and we gotta put it on low and we gotta wait 2 to 3 minutes until it's dry enough. So now I'm gonna mash it. You can add a little more salt to it. Okay guys, I'm gonna add some butter to it. Delicious smelling butter. Oh, so delicious. I can't wait to eat my mashed potato and make it. Look at that. It's now getting swishy around. Now we need to add some milk. Okay, I'm boiling milk because it don't have heavy cream. Okay, so this is garlic and we're gonna add it to our milk. Though if you do have rosemary, you can add it. So boiled milk, now we'll pour it into a strainer. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it real good. You see that? Now we're gonna put some black pepper into it. Now we got very creamy mashed potatoes. Look at that. Delicious. Ooh, it's hot. Delicious. If you like my video, make sure to subscribe down below. Bye.